Thank you. Good morning, Samrat sir. My name is
Good morning.
Prakhar Jain. I am presently the founder and chief executive officer of Cyanotic Space Settlement Private Limited. Describing about my company, we are presently working in three different sectors. The first sector is research and development of stellar space settlement. The second sector is drone and anti-drone technology. And the third sector is the space education department, for which I am here to propose my pitch, for which I am asking for 150,000 USDs, which is about 1 crore rupees, against 20% equity shares. First of all, coming to the problem which we are solving, like these are the major problems which a space enthusiast basically face in India. The major problems out of these being the lack of resources, lack of industrial exposure, and the content is either not available or is very expensive. The other problems are also listed in the elevator deck itself. Coming to the solutions which we are proposing for our customers, we are providing them with exclusive video courses, which is somewhat like you may say that already present in the market. But further, the main points about these video courses would be that the instructors are professional. We have data-driven progress tracking. We have interactive seminars and webinars. We also conduct technical project-based workshops, technical and non-tech competitions. And the major highlight of our company is the astronomical observation nights and tours which we conduct. Now, astronomical observation nights and tours are something very unique to our company, and only one or two companies in the entire Indian market are providing this kind of service. I would be coming to competitor analysis and later stages in this presentation itself, but this makes our company very unique, these solutions. Now coming to the market size and opportunity. This slide shows you the various customer base. The major customer base for us would be students and working professionals from 12 years to 28 years of age. Now this gives us a target audience of about 300 million plus in India, which would be very high if we go to the international market. Further, we would be targeting about 14 lakh plus schools in all around India and around 3,500 plus engineering colleges. For us right now, we have a $7 billion market to explore, which is very huge. And considering the CAGR, the compound annual growth rate of 10.97% in the EdTech market and 29.6% in the space education market, we have a very good future in the coming years. Coming to the next slide, which is the competitor analysis. The major competitions which for us are present in the market are Society for Space Education, Research and Development, which is CERD. Then we have Space India, STAR, Astrofanatics, Spaconova, ISRO. Now, as we can see, ISRO's courses are very cheap, are the cheapest in the entire Indian market. But the only issue which these courses face is the unavailability. There are very limited seats for these courses. Whereas when it comes to other companies, other of our competitors, these courses are not that readily available, though they are available, but they are more expensive than our courses, and we are providing them very readily from professional mentors and professional instructors. Coming to the next slide. These are the competitive advantages which we are providing, which we have over other competitors of ours. First of all, we have one of the largest collection of space resources in entire India. Second, we have industry level experts on our disposal who are ready to help each and every candidate or customer of ours individually. Then we have India's largest space ecosystem, and it is also India's most vibrant space ecosystem. Right now, we are also tying up with world's top organizations, including which is Space Generation Advisory Council, which directly works under United Nations. Then we have Cygnus Aerospace. We have Defense Research and Development Organization. We have World Advanced Research Project Agency. So this is somewhat which makes us very innovative, which makes us very impactful and gives us a lot of credibility to our courses. So this was a basic idea of our company. As I already told you, I'm looking forward for pre-seed funding of 1,500 USDs, which is approximately 1 crore INR against 20% equity shares. And this amount would be deployed in human resources, technical resources, and the company's infrastructure. Like if you want, you can contact me anytime for discussing in detail about the business model. Yes, you have my contact number on screen, which is +91 Indian code and 7248422043, or my email ID, which is prakhar.jain@cyanodicspace.com. For more details about the company, you can visit our website, which is www.cyanodicspace.com. Thank you, and I'm happy to answer any of the questions which you have.